Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the TCL C655 QLED versus the TCL C655 Pro QLED. Now, if you don't know what these two are, I'm just going to state the difference real quick. So the TCL C55 or 655 QLED is a 4K QLED TV featuring the AIQP Pro processor, the T-Screen Pro technology, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos, and a 144 Hz refresh rate for the TV. And the Pro, on the other hand, is an enhanced version of the C655. It adds over 100 local dimming zones, adaptive HDR brightness, and advanced audio features including on-Q 2.1 CH sound system. Now let's go over the pros and cons, starting with the QLED one here, the non-Pro version. So the pros of it is that it has a wider range of sizes, as you can see. The Pro version only has 85 up to 55, or 55 up to 85, and this one has 43 up to 98. And it also has high contrast with T-Screen Pro technology right here. It also has 144 variable refresh rate for a smooth gaming experience. So if you want to use this for gaming for your consoles or PS5, it also has Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision for support. Now the cons of it is that it lacks local dimming zones, which the blacks may not be that black, and the standard HDR brightness levels are not that high. Now let's go over to the Pro version right here. So the pros of the Pro version is that it has over 100 local dimming zones for improved contrast, the adaptive HDR brightness up to 600 nits, which is pretty bright, the enhanced audio with on-Q 2.1 CH system, which is the best sounding audio out there, and has advanced eye care features. Now the cons of it is that it is only available in fewer sizes, and it has a higher price point since compared to the C655. So which one is right for you? So you should choose the TCL C655 non-Pro version if you seek a versatile TV with solid performance and a broader range of sizes, and choose the Pro version if you desire enhanced picture quality with local dimming, better HDR, and superior audio features. So if you're not that of a TV enthusiast, or you're not that keen on the details of your TV, the non-Pro version is good enough for the majority of people. However, the Pro version is a direct upgrade of this. It beats basically the non-Pro version in every aspect except the sizes. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you have more money, if you can afford it, by all means go for the C655 Pro version. So yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.